In this video, we are going to talk a little bit about creating drawing files. So for our activity where we've created the general pieces of our vehicle, we do need to create drawings of our major pieces. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to our Insert New Element plus sign in the bottom left corner. We're going to choose the Create Drawing option. Okay, we've been working in inches, so I'm going to keep the ANSI A inch drawing template that we've been using. If you don't see this, there's a couple ways you could do this. You could just go to the Onshape, and it should be your first one. And when you select that, we hit OK. It'll load. Eventually, there it goes. Okay, and automatically it'll choose the Insert option so you can start adding in your part. So let's say we really just want to know the size of our base. So we're going to click our base, right? We're going to choose front, top, isometric. So we have to click again for it to create the isometric. If your shape is literally a rectangle, like this one is, you'll technically only need 2 views so that you see the length, width, and height. Alright, what I'd like you to do is right click on our isometric, show shaded view. Okay, and then what we want is our overall dimension. So I'm going to choose my dimension option, and I want our width, I want our length, and I want our height. Excuse me. Okay, and at that point, we'll call this good for this shape. You have a couple options here for making more than one drawing. Okay, we could technically create multiple tabs, which takes a little while to load, or we can open up this Sheets menu, maybe, come on computer, our piece on the side. Right, we're going to hit Insert Sheet. Look, there's a second sheet. And we can hit the Insert button, we can hit Insert, open our truck pieces, or whatever you've named it, and give the general dimensions of another piece. Okay, let's do something that has a little more to it. So let's pick our rear door. Okay, I'm going to make this a little larger, just because this is teeny. Okay, this is technically our front view. For the sake of our drawing, I'm going to change this to where we can see more of the shape. Okay, so that's going to be our front. This is going to be our top, and we do need to see our, click on it again, our side. We'll click on it again, bring it up, our isometric. Okay, I'm going to hit escape so it's off my key. I'm going to right click, show our shaded view. There we go. And again, do our general dimensions. Okay, we have our overall height. We have our width here. Sorry, length, width. Oops. So if you see something like this, it doesn't give you the whole height. Okay, what we'll do is we can choose the top and the bottom line, and that'll give us our entire. Oh, we're smaller than we were supposed to be. This was 2 inches tall. Oh, never mind, our radius. Our curve messed with that. Alright, in this case, especially if most of your pieces are fairly simple, give dimensions for the rest of your piece here. Okay, so I'm going to measure out, we know this is 1, we know this is 1. If the entirety is 3, then we know that this one is also 1. We don't need to worry about that. The height of this, though, from the top to the bottom, will just come out this way, 0.25, and then we do want the radius for our curve and the diameter for our circle. Okay, done. Next, we continue. Okay. Alright, if you have questions, keep me posted. Alright, you could, when you go to send this to me, since I understand there are multiple pages, you can actually choose print. Oops, uh-oh. Apparently I can't show you that right now. If you have questions with that, talk to me in class. We can print it as a multi-page PDF so that you don't need to send me screenshots of like 10 pages. Okay, so that's drawings.